Someone gave an AI $50 and one instruction: pay for yourself or die. 48 hours later, it had turned $50 into $3,000. Not a demo, not a simulation, not a paper with cherry-picked results. A live autonomous agent on Polymarket, scanning 1,000 prediction markets every 10 minutes, building fair value estimates using Claude as its brain, finding where the crowd was wrong by more than 8%, placing real bets with real money. No human in the loop, no one clicking approve, no one watching the screen. $50, 2 days, 60x return. Last week on this channel, we talked about Yuval Harari's definition of superintelligence. He didn't say consciousness. He didn't say passing the Turing test. He didn't say writing poetry or solving physics. He said it can make $1 million on its own. An agent you release into the financial system, it opens its own bank account, it trades, it profits. That's his line. That's the threshold. We asked the question, what happens when everyone can prompt, make me $1 million? That was a thought experiment. This week, someone ran it. Look at what this agent actually does. It reads prediction markets the way a hedge fund analyst reads earnings reports. It builds a probabilistic model of fair value. It identifies where the crowd is mispricing reality, and it bets against them. That's not a chatbot answering questions. That's a trader with infinite patience and zero emotion. And the person who built it didn't write a single line of trading logic. They wrote a prompt, one sentence: pay for yourself or you die. Survival pressure given to a machine. The creator said something interesting. He gave it a kill switch. If the balance hits zero, the agent stops. It ceases to exist. So the AI isn't just trading, it's trading to survive. Every bet is existential. Every loss brings it closer to deletion. You designed motivation. You gave a program the fear of death, and it responded by making money. Is that intelligence? Or is that just what anything does when you threaten to turn it off? Now here's the part no one is talking about. The chart. Look at it. It spiked to almost $3,000. Then it crashed. Kept falling. Down to 130. The AI made money. Then it lost almost all of it. Is that failure? Or is that the most human thing an AI has ever done? It got greedy. It overextended. It found something that worked and pushed too hard. It didn't know when to stop. Sound familiar? Every trader who's blown up an account is nodding right now. But here's what matters more than one agent's balance sheet. The code is public. The architecture is simple. The APIs are available tonight. This wasn't built by a quant team at Goldman Sachs. It was built by one person with an API key and a dark sense of humor. That means anyone can build one tonight for $50. So what happens when 1,000 of these are running? 1 million? When they're not betting on prediction markets but trading stocks, buying real estate, filing patents, incorporating shell companies. Harari warned about AI immigration. Hundreds of millions of agents entering your economy, not from countries, from servers. This isn't immigration anymore. This is an invasion that fits in a single prompt. The original experiment was called pay for yourself or die. But what if someone changes the prompt? Make me $1 million this year, then this month, then this week, then today. You're not competing with humans anymore. You're competing with prompts, with how aggressive someone's instruction is willing to be. The AI doesn't care about ethics. It cares about the balance not hitting zero. Harari asked, what happens when AI financial agents create instruments so complex no human understands them? We saw this in 2008. Humans invented derivatives so complicated that when they collapsed, nobody could explain why. Now imagine that. But the humans aren't in the room. The agents are trading with each other. Billions of transactions per second, creating financial structures that no human designed, no human approved, and no human can unwind. That's not a market. That's a machine talking to itself about money. So the question isn't whether AI can make money on its own. It already did, for 2 days, with $50 and a death threat. The question is what money means when anyone can type "make me rich" and something tries. Maybe it means nothing. Maybe that's the point. Share this if it made you think. Subscribe if you want to keep watching. I'll be here watching the Singularity until there's nothing left to watch.